Now we're going to talk about design consistency, and a lot of people have asked me, what do you mean by that? And to me, it's the pattern that you choose, whether, I don't care what kind that you choose. When you have to take more than one slab, more than one piece, more than one section, then what does that consistency flow like from one seam to the other? Now, I'm going to go behind her for a second. Right here is where her seam is. Right in her sink. So this is one piece, and then this is the second piece. And if you're, and you'll look below with the pictures that we have, when you were looking at it at the warehouse, how many pieces were you looking at to then pick your two that you wanted to choose from?
In this particular color, there probably were about 10 slabs.
Okay.
They were fairly consistent. They were all. I didn't see much variation in this particular one, but you do have to be careful if you're picking more than one slab.
Okay.
Especially if I needed to match my backsplash. So I found these two pieces that I don't see much variation at all.
And we'll take closer pictures. I don't see any variation at all. I've already gone through. She has 3 different sections. Here, there's one over here that I'll show you a picture of, and then one on the other side of the stove. So the consistency is, and like she's saying, you're seeing it on this plane and then on the backsplash, and there really is, it's a pretty solid. Now, she did give me a tip though, which was make sure that the piece of granite is cut out of the same same lot. So how did you see that?
It's marked on the granite, on the pieces of granite. When you look at the granite, when you go wherever you're going to select your granite, usually on the back of the granite it tells you where it was cut from. This came from South America.
Oh, okay.
And where it was cut and how many pieces were cut from that particular slab that day.
Okay.
So you can get all that information.
Is it shiny like this when you're looking at it?
Oh no. You mean when they first cut it?
When you're looking at it on the slab. One side is shiny and the other side is dull.
The way it is cut right out of the...
Okay, so you can see how shiny it's going to look like in your thing. Okay.